Mercury, a naturally occurring element, poses a significant threat to human health. Often found in our environment, this heavy metal can silently infiltrate our bodies. Exposure primarily occurs through consumption of contaminated seafood, particularly larger predatory fish like tuna and swordfish. Industrial activities such as mining and fossil fuel combustion also release mercury into the environment. Once in the air, water, or soil, mercury can persist for long periods, posing a long-term risk to human health. Even small amounts of mercury can accumulate in the body over time, leading to a condition known as mercury toxicity. Upon entering the bloodstream, mercury embarks on a perilous journey, ultimately targeting the brain. This vital organ, responsible for our thoughts, emotions, and bodily functions, becomes a prime target for mercury's toxic effects. The blood-brain barrier, a protective shield that safeguards the brain from harmful substances, proves vulnerable to mercury's insidious nature. Once inside the brain, mercury wreaks havoc on delicate neurons, disrupting their normal function. Mercury's presence in the brain sets off a cascade of damaging events. Neurons, the building blocks of the nervous system, rely on a delicate balance of chemicals and electrical signals to communicate. Mercury disrupts this intricate communication network, leading to a range of neurological problems. Furthermore, mercury interferes with the production of essential proteins and enzymes necessary for healthy brain function. This toxic assault weakens the brain's defenses, making it more susceptible to damage and degeneration. Over time, mercury's cumulative effects contribute to the development of neurodegenerative diseases. Emerging research suggests a possible link between mercury toxicity and neurodegenerative disorders such as Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. These debilitating conditions, characterized by progressive brain cell loss, share some striking similarities with mercury poisoning. Studies have detected elevated levels of mercury in the brains of individuals with Alzheimer's disease. Similarly, research has linked mercury exposure to an increased risk of developing Parkinson's disease. While further investigation is needed to establish a definitive causal relationship, the evidence suggests that mercury may play a significant role in the development and progression of these devastating conditions.